Hey guys, today I want to share a few tips to consider when planning to remove a wall in your kitchen renovation. I'm Paul from Contact Renovation and Custom Homes. Welcome to the Art of Renovation. So in this project, we had a wall that divided the kitchen from the dining room, which really made for a small kind of cramped kitchen, didn't allow for much light to flow through. It was a problem. So this wall ended up having a plumbing stack that was in the way and we had to relocate it. And my tip for you is this: before you go too far down the road of planning your new design and assuming that you can accomplish said design, you should open up the wall, or maybe if you have a cable camera, drill a small hole, get the camera in there and look to see what's inside that wall. Confirm, is it load bearing? Are there any HVAC utilities in there? Are there plumbing, electrical lines? Find out first, otherwise you can end up with a big problem later trying to adapt your design to fit some sort of a plumbing stack or whatnot, which can be catastrophic in the overall finish. So in this case, we had some time in advance. We designed a bulkhead that looked great within the kitchen and still contains a stack that otherwise would have been prohibitive when going for an open concept. I'm Paul from Contact Renovation and Custom Homes. Thanks for tuning in.